microphone volume appears to be a bit quiet, so I'll just... That's way too high. I think this is good. That's way too high. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we're good. So, welcome to the stream, everybody. Yeah, we're good. So, welcome to the stream. Oh, no, I need to mute this. Yeah, welcome to the stream. Today we're gonna be, what? Today we're... Hold on. It says no data, but... Hold on, just technical difficulties here. I need to get this fixed. That's the wrong thing. I don't want... Go into live control room. Enjoying the Pi Hut gift card whale tech. I haven't really used it yet. Okay, there we go, we're back. No real intro because, yeah. Let's go back here and go to linuxwiiu.org. We can go with Arch Power because installing Arch Linux on a Wii U. Tarball. I believe I actually have this. Do I have? Oh yeah, I do. But it's not really... Yes. Right, well we're downloading that. What a live stream is it? Also, any idea on how to get Windows 7 on my laptop? Like, is there any links? Ooh, KDE Candy icons. No, it's not KDE Candy icons. If I go into... I can't type. There we go. It is actually this icon theme called Beautyline. Okay. So, yeah, it's this icon theme called Beautyline because I'm using GTK. I know, but how do you... But do you know how to get the real Windows 7? I have an ISO somewhere if I can... Okay, why is YTR Tech just saying Billie Eilish in the chat? I think I have an ISO of that somewhere or other. Nice tiling window manager. What TWM is this? This is Hyperland. Windows. Lady Gaga. Okay, YTR Tech, please stop. Live chat. F. Dua Lipa. Can I put you in timeout? Just 5 minutes. So yeah, Windows 7. I will go share this, but Arch Power is done, so I will extract. I'm just using Arc because I can. Extraction into the subfolder, just -2. Nemo -2, there we go. So we have the README document. What? Robot Cat, hi. Hey, welcome to the stream. There's so much stuff in here that I just need to get rid of. You need an SD card with at least 2 gigs. More is really much recommended. With at least 2 partitions. So it's dev mmc blk 0p1 1 gig. Actually, I don't have an SD card slot on this computer. Really dusty. I don't think I can move my computer back. Everything's in the way, so I'm just Plug. Oh my gosh. Just plug it in there. Plug it in. Get in. There we go. I literally cannot see what I'm doing. Get in. Okay. Believe we're in. What happened to the live stream window? Oh my gosh! Control Z. Okay, I fixed it. When I was hopping onto the desk to try and get that thing plugged in, I may have moved something. Oh yeah, the SD card's in here. Gigs. Your mic is really loud, little bro. Yeah, I don't really... I can change the microphone volume if, Hold on, is this good? Anything. Did I even plug that in? I think I did. Okay. Yeah, now it's good. So 16 gigabyte volume. We have a firmware image right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to Control C, go into just home here, make a new... Are you getting through with installing Arch? First time I did it took me 5 hours. Well, I can install Arch in around, on a fast computer with fast internet connection, I can install it in just less than 15 minutes. So yeah, I'm not going through with installing Arch. I'm using pre-made disk images. Hopefully. So, Wii U backup. In fact, speaking of Arch, I'm just... See, look. Yeah. Arch, by the way. XD. Anyway, Wii U backup. Paste. Are you gonna install GUI or just Beer? I'm gonna hopefully do a GUI. I'm gonna probably do... I'm not doing Wayland. I am definitely avoiding Wayland. Because, well... It's a Wii U. It's a Wii U. So I'm not doing Wayland. I'm going to do something with F Wayland. Yeah, Wayland's actually really good. It's just Wayland on this thing is... Wayland on a Wii U is just not going to happen. Something like LXQt would probably be the best lightweight. It's still just unstable. Hello, Frumpy the Gamer. Welcome to the stream. Don't want to cripple the Wii. It's a Wii U, but yeah. Right now, we're just waiting for things to copy over from an SD card. H. The stream. I don't really know what to... J. K. Do you play Minecraft? Yes, I haven't played it in a while. L. M. We're just doing pretty much the second half of the alphabet. Took the SD card of that thing. When Gen 2 on the Wii U compiles A, B, C... Okay, fine. Yeah, let's stop this actually. When Gen 2 on the Wii U, Gen 2 on the Wii U is actually a thing. Here. Gen 2 is a source-based Linux distro, so software is compiled as a... Yeah. Yeah, we can do Gen 2 on the Wii U. Hello, welcome to the stream. Oh god, how long will it take to compile? Okay, but imagine installing Gentoo without a stage 3 tarball. That would just take forever. Yeah, just Gentoo. I'm not doing Gentoo. It took forever. Why does my iPhone storage fill up without me saving things? Go into your storage settings and see what install. So, format like so. It's still a draft. Okay. Well, so format like so. Alright, create DOS partition table and creep behind. Oh, we are not doing this. It's not. Not doing this. It is not 20. Whenever that was popular. Can you install GNOME the Super Tux can't? Partition manager. This too. Nice. So we have this mass storage thing here. I will unmount. So what do I need to do? So what do I need to do? I will move this over to 5. So create DOS partition table in the SD card. I really wish I could actually see the chat a little bit better, so I will pop out. I'll pop out the chat, make it floating. Why does your cursor change every window your cursor moves to? I actually don't know. I'm back, welcome back. KDE Plasma on a Wii U would be nice, it actually would, but I'm not doing that. Have you tried running rm-rf/no preserve root as root? Yes. In VMs. Deliberately. Just to see what happens in a virtual machine. How to create an NDS file. There's multiple different ways. One of them is just using God Mode 9 on a 3D and lol. Well, I know what it does. It removes your root, but I think I ran it several times on a VM. But that was a long time ago. I like Windows 7, same. Alright, what is this? Okay, back to the You're my new favourite YouTuber. Thank you. Whatever. So, Arch Power Wii U, bring us on a budget. Archive links for the official Windows 7. Yeah. We got a number. Oh no, please do not do this. Please do not do this in my chat, Frumpy the Gamer. We're almost at 20 viewers, useless info, I guess. Okay, please stop. Okay, focusing. Dev MMC. Because if there is, please send it in the chat. Well, there is, also fun fact I saw it on the YouTube homepage. Because I really need it. Well, archive.org. Let me actually check. Archive.org. Internet Archive is, the Internet Archive is down. Most Internet Archive services are down right now. Because my is an Elite book. Well, just, if your laptop is slow, just try Linux on it. Just try something like Mint or something. Or Fedora, actually, from HP. How did you make your Windows 11 look like Windows? Okay, first off, secondly, via Wayback Machine. Okay, via the Wayback Machine, okay. Yeah, this is not Windows 7. This is, I want to, but there is no drivers for NVIDIA that on Discord. Well, I'll do all of this Windows 7 stuff once I'm done with Arch. So, what do I need to do? I need to... Subwell, appreciate your job. Subwell, appreciate your job. Thank you, Lemon. Don't want... Moving on. The Wayback Machine Internet Archive blog and Archive It are still all available. Yeah, I know, but... Who? Okay, I'm gonna stop reading. I'm gonna try to stop reading chat for a bit and actually continue on with what I'm trying to do. So, SD card, make an MS-DOS, MMC-BLK 0P1. It needs to be greater than 1 gigabyte. So I will do just. In fact, no, 8192, FAT32, label, just gonna name it Wii U. How did my Discord randomly restart? I don't know. Well, I need to go EXT. And do it. Okay. Do it. I use Vengport. Same, really. I use Vesktop, which is basically... Yeah. So, that's the version. Anyway, I did that. I'm just going to let you talk. Always use gparted. What partition manager is this? This is KDE Partition Manager. This is probably one of my favorite partition managers. Format like so. I did that. Make the MNT. Polo ISO on a Wii U. So what, we're gonna play Portal 2 on a Wii U now? I'm live. Okay, I'll check you out. When you install Arch, do you use Arch install? No. Alacrity. I probably need to go soon. Behind. The video. Today we're gonna install SteamOS on a Wii. This will be a Q&A instead of install. Yeah, the way this is going, it's going to be a Q&A at this point. So, I need to mount. This is not dev MMC BLK 0P1. This is actually dev SDA, no, dev STC 1 to Wii U /P1. Yeah, there we go. So, and then do the same thing for STC2 P2, I believe. Did you just name an LSBLK entry by name? No hint or nothing? Yeah, I just named an LSBLK entry by name. So devastate. Oh, I forgot to do something. I'll just do that. Sudo that. What is that? So I'll just go cd download slash archpower to archpower bam. Right. How many? Okay, no. Views 57. Okay, nice. Going back. So, fire in the hole, whale tech. Is the Wii support art? Is the Wii support Arch, or is it going to say, man, I give up, it explodes? Anyway, so I need to sudo that, do it on the copy. Can I? Oh! Operation not permitted, operation not permitted. Can you rise Hyperland? Yes! This is actually a custom rise forum for Hyperland. I cast a spell. The spell is Linux Wii Explode. So, it shall explode now. Hello, Oddbike. Welcome to the stream. Alright, well, there's a whole bunch of operation not permitted. Do you have planning on making a tutorial about rising hyper? No. Going to support Arch. Sorry for the typo, I'm Brazilian, by the way. When is Gigatech birthday? I don't know. I wonder if Intel integrated GPU support HoloISO. Let me check. So, what do I even need to do? Alright, well, I should probably stop reading chat because then everything will just not. We'll just go really not fast. So bootfs read me. This is the readme document. So bootfs, rootfs. So what is this? It is extracting the bootfs. This. Oh, it's just a firmware image. Okay, nice. I'll just put it on the good old where MNT Wii U partition 1. Oh, it actually did it. It actually put it there. Oh, nice. So I now need to extract the rootfs. Open in the new tab. Go here. Rootfs. And it's on the GitHub. Okay. Copy. Drag it in. Wait, can I actually not do that? Okay, well, I'm actually gonna... Oh! Okay, gotta go now. See you. Okay, bye. Okay, that's the Linux file structure right there. Set a root password, so I need to chroot. Do I need to sudo chroot? Alright then, arch chroot. That doesn't exist. Can I actually... I'm kind of actually stuck. Oh. Slumpy the Gamer, don't advertise your streams in the stream chat. Yes, please don't. But you should really change this to create local user instead. Message retracted. Okay, Frumpy. Got it. Thing. There we go. Fixed the spelling of the readme. Should do for running Oddbite, do you know when he said April 8th? Oh, same name, whatever. Anyway, I think we're actually good. So, umount /dev/SDC. Boom. Not mounted. 1, 2. Target is busy. Why are you busy? CD ... CD ... Boom. Unmount. Get out. I haven't even booted Arch on the thing yet. Would it be possible to play PowerPC games natively on a Wii U? Yeah. Yeah, it actually would. In theory, it actually would be possible. Because, well, Wii U is PowerPC, and this Wii U Linux thing uses PowerPC. You could probably also do that on a Nintendo Wii as well, not a Wii U, just a regular Wii. Alright, umount's taking a while, so what? Okay. Nemo. We're doing this the hard way. Eject. Device or resource bizzer. Since we use basically a PowerPC Mac Mini made by Nintendo. Eject. Okay, finally. Okay. Oh my gosh, that is a hot SD card. Just everything is hot whenever I touch it. And this room is hot as well. Just a second. Let's go to the capture. On the capture. Well cooked SD card. Yeah, well that is a well cooked SD card. The hot storage. Alright, we've had 2 hot USB sticks. One in the Steam Deck video and one in the Linux on a Wii U video. Jukatech's birthday is on the 8th of April. Yes, see, I told you. Get in. Alright, here we go. Grab the microphone. Let's get the clicking. Is that what? Oh my gosh, this microphone cable. Okay. Here we go. Oh gosh. Cables are everywhere. I think it's not that the Wii is going to explode and yes, the SD card. Alright, turning on. And I'm holding the B button on the gamepad. think I need a... Oh, I just realised something. Holding the power button for at least 4 seconds forces the console to shut down. How about another way of forcing the console to shut down? And that is called unplugging it. Oh yeah, SD cards are hot. Wii U. Yeah. How's the stream coming along? Stream is coming along. Oh, flip! Get out of that! Get out of that! Get out of that! I'm flipping. You just saw my moderators. You just saw a list of moderators right there. I need my SD card back. And for the third time, I'm going to need to jump on the table. Oh, okay. Oh, no. My computer literally almost fell. Okay. I just dropped the car. No. Oh, wait. What happened here? It's... Ow. That hurt. I just do my input. Where's that going to? That's going to there. Oh, God. There we go. If we heard a... Imagine if we just heard a bang, then the stream went off, PC guys. As I said, the SD card gave up. Yeah, the SD card's given up here, but I'm not... The SD card wants to give up, but I'm not letting it in. Okay. I think we're in. I think we're good. So now, we took this Wii U back up. Me went hot SD card. Anyway. I'm gonna delete these. I'm gonna delete these two. The SD card be working on that. Okay, Wii U. Paste. Sometimes when the school 7:25. Oh no. Hold on. Oh, this is gonna take forever. Oh no, you can't even see it. You can't even see it. Oh no. Oh. I don't even know what I'm doing. Clean rip, homebrew browser. Okay, just delete it. Just delete it. Do you know how I can record a VM screen with OBS? Sure, just make a display capture or a window capture for that matter, and just do the thing. Just make a window capture of VMware and do the thing. If you want more detailed tutorials, then look it up. As I'm not really oh gosh, the SD card is about to give up again. Oh no, it's already giving. It's not going into the slot. Oh no, get in. Oh no. Oh, now the slot's. Oh no. Do the thing. Stream on their way saying the Wii U is a Steam Deck when you load big picture. Okay, well it's first the SD card that's giving up. Now it's a slot. The slot is officially giving up. Get in. We're in. So what do I even need? I'm gonna turn it on. Just hold the B button. The only option now is pray for it to work and not take absolutely forever. Whoa. So what does it need? Now I know what file to copy over. Wii U. I'll actually just copy over the entire Wii U folder. Copy over the entire Wii U folder and put it on the card. Oh gosh. What should we do while we wait? Zoom. Oh my God. 45 seconds. Elevator music. I'll probably get copyright. I'll probably get copywritten. But I'll try and find some. Well, it's only 10 seconds left, so. Yeah, the SD card is actually working a 9 to 5 at this point. Wait. And the SD card adapter is leaving me. Found it. First the SD card is giving up, and now the SD card adapter is just... Anyway, grab this. Really hot. No, as in temperature. I am really hot as in temperature for some reason. Windows open. What is the temperature outside? 16 degrees. Definitely feels like 16 degrees. Like an SD card. Hey, welcome to the stream. I guess. Okay, we have the card in. Alright. Just as Lemon said, Whale Tech praying for it to work. Wii U praying for it not to work. Alright. Well, on. And now you can see everything, which is nothing at this point. 12 degrees Celsius for me. Okay. For some reason, it's only displaying. Do we have a Ethan? Not Ethernet. Okay then, something must have gone wrong. There's our issue. The HDMI cord is not in. Flip. Cord time. But the door is OST. It's not copy. Okay. Well. MJD curse mode. HDMI cables are not HDMI cabling. Okay, I'm gonna actually grab my phone and record something. Alright, well, I think I might need to punish this HDMI cable for not, alright, disconnect. Camera. Okay, I'm flipping this. Is this on the floor? This HDMI cable has been misbehaving, so that's what it gets. Well, I threw it. I threw the Okay, never mind, we're good. HDMI execution rip. But I gotta be similar than with one pop. Okay. HDMI cables. Oh, speaking of. Yeah, another HDMI. Well, I forced the HDMI cable to give up. I fired the HDMI cable. We actually installing Arch. We're using pre-made disk images, unfortunately, but it's Arch on the time for DisplayPort. You get the joke. Yeah, DisplayPort. Alright, time to hop up on the table again. I think it's every time I hop up onto the table, the HDMI connector comes out. Okay, we have a more secure HDMI cable. Oh! Right, firmware image loader. Bam. We have pink. We have Wii U menu. Wrapper. Oh! You saw that, right? Hello, Super T-Boy H. Welcome to the stream. Okay, we actually have another mod, actually. Welcome. Next up, Hyperland gave up. how's this doing? Counting. Alright, so my equivalent of the Dirty Cherry keyboard, except it's a Dirty Dell keyboard. It's even better because it's alliteration. Isn't the Wii U like ARM or something? Now take out the SD card. Okay, yeah, this chat is actually starting to become keep doing what you're doing, it's just funny. Chat slightly delayed between the actual stream and what YouTube shows. I just noticed. Yeah, because there is latency on the stream. That's what it is. So plug it into the bottom port for now. I will grab a USB hub. Okay, now root. What's the password? The latency is not bad at all. Yeah, it's not really that bad for latency. British. It said arch power. Okay. We're actually in. Bring a studio. What KDE worker would it be too much for the Wii U? It's probably incompatible because this is PowerPC. Okay. That's the first step done. Second step, actually getting internet on it. Cat etc release. Okay. etc slash So, decision. Warning, your Wii U is going to explode. Okay, name-a. There we go. See, Linux Arch Power 4.19. 4.19? Gosh, that's an old term. That's an old kernel, I mean. So, we have a decision to make. So, either use a USB Ethernet, host a Minecraft server. 4.19, ancient. We use PowerPC, so we need to get Mac OS 10 on there. Use tethering from phone. Yeah, that's a good idea. My internet speed is going to be slow as flip, but, I mean, it's really my only option. So, I have a USB-C cable right here in my hands. You can't see it because, well, I don't have a webcam attached to this computer, and I probably never will. Deneb. Maybe, MJD has already made a video on this where he got Mac OS running on the Wii using the Mac on Linux project. That could actually be a potential video. Or stream. Rip internet speed. So, I need to... No! I hit record. I hit record on my phone on accident. So I'm going to go into settings. Network and internet. Hotspot and tethering. Just be hotspot. Now, should be on. Let me see. USB tethering turned on. MJB, hello guys. Today, we're going to install Windows 10 and I literally a local IP. Yes! Whale Tech video installing SteamOS on a Wii U. Look at this! We're getting pings! Isn't this epic, everybody? Isn't this epic? Now let's go one step, but can it run Crisis? Anyway, moving on. Ping. Let's try internet. Installing stuff on Wii U's now. What's better, Debian or Ubuntu? I don't know, since Ubuntu has more people working on it, but Debian seems better. Debian for sure. Debian is better in my opinion because no snaps. Snaps are absolutely the worst thing, the worst packaging format ever. Yeah, Serenity Scubbus. Serenity Scubbus. Yeah, I agree. So, sudo. No, wait, I don't need sudo. Is sudo even on here? No, it isn't. Pacman SYU. This took forever, but this took forever on the. Oh gosh. Actually, no. Pacman -S VLC. What am I gonna do with VLC? Anyway, Pacman -S Neofetch. Alright. Are you ready for the big moment? In 3, 2, 1. Would you look at that? Celebrate. Engage. Yes! Woo! Okay, after like 50 minutes, we got Arch on a Wii U! Yeah, this kernel is ancient. And we only have 2 gigabytes of RAM. CPU Espresso. Also, look. Host Nintendo Wii U. Yes, I typed Astro. Okay, I'm just gonna read all of these. Congratulations. Thank you, Super T-Boy H. Anyway. Yes, woo woo, it worked. Fire, GG. It's more powerful than my G4 Mac Mini. Can you upgrade the kernel? It flippin' worked. Hooray, yay, congratulations. Okay then. How fast is this internet though? I really want to know. Whale type, are you going to use an Arch install script? Well, it's already installed, so there's no need. Now on Wolfenstein. I'm so glad it worked. Well, we're not done yet. Don't leave. We are going to be installing a GUI, which is something that I failed to do previously. Sudo pacman -s. I'm not doing no. I am not doing. I said no. I am not doing GNOME on this. It's gonna be bad. So pacman -s lxqt. Oh flip. Now install Gentoo. GNOME Trashy. Okay, lxqt. So we need that. Do you think we're ready to install a GUI? I think so. Enter. Oh! Wait, actually! Rising High landed a Wii. That could actually be another stream. Like tomorrow or something. I really want to get my watch time up, so that would actually be a good thing to do. Hold on a second. Is Wayland supported on power? What? Operation too slow. I think it's my USB tethering. Is Wayland supported on Power PC? Let me check. Wrong keyboard. Wayland Power PC. Wayland on Power PC. OpenBox doesn't currently run natively. I believe Wayland is supported. Congrats, I was trying to type that forever. So, you might need to sort out your mirror lists. I'm gonna just try again. Repository, yes, do the thing. Okay, yeah, something's wrong. Oh, hold on. But don't use Firefox anymore. They have been suspicious. What have they been suspicious for? I've been using Firefox for like a year now. It's actually good. Install Firefox now. I'm gonna think of oh no. Oh, the internet's going out again. Is KDE Plasma bound? Okay then. XFCE is supported. Well, I need to fix up this internet problem. There was a backdoor discovered in the code by someone a few days ago. I use Hardened Firefox though. Well, I keep my Firefox updated. Oh gosh, this is oh what? What? I use Firefox. It's not better than Chromium. Try updating your areas with then it should download. Okay. Well, T7 Only Coding. Hello, welcome to T7 Only Coding. I actually I have yet to do this, but I'm giving you mod. Yeah, done. T7 Only Coding is now a standard mod. So sudo pacman update. What are you trying to install right now? I'm trying to install LXQt. Oh yeah, pacman update. Is that even a thing? No, no operation specified. Then it says the way nowadays macOS a D. I'm trying to install LXQt. Or LXQt or LXQt. However, how do you pronounce cute? Like, how do you pronounce that? How do you pronounce that? Is it cute, cutie, cutie? I only use Windows because of apps that wine can on QT. Remember, this is already installed. Arch install. I can type in Arch install. Might be proven wrong, but yep, Arch install. Just joined. Welcome, Byte. Welcome to the stream. Throat. Oh, you are installed. Yeah, I'm installed. Look, I can neofetch and do neofetch. LXQt pronounced by letters, so it's LXQT. Hi, Whale Tech. Hey. L neofetch. Well, neofetch. Can I actually do fast fetch? Can't type. Alright, first off, sudo is not a thing. And second, FE. Arch install. Well, no. I'm not doing that. Actually install that. Oh my god. Yeah, do it. Do the thing. Microsoft stole sudo. Oh, whoa. Pacman install sudo. Anyway, cd root chmod chown star root that, and then chmod 777 that. There we go. Now can I install sudo? Yeah, this is on a Wii U. I fix this. Does anyone actually know how to fix this? Owned by 1000 to dev. Alright, I'm actually just gonna go pacman, no, chmod 755. Bam. What the flip did you put on a Wii U to do this? I put this thing called Archpad. In fact, WiiU.org. There. You can go. You could use DOS instead. No. I forgot how to purge broken packages. Pull out the manual. Thank you. Because you're trying to... Do you plan on doing videos on the Nintendo Switch? Well, if I do a modding video on the Nintendo Switch, then Nintendo will copyright strike the flip out of me, so no, I'm not doing it. When are you downloading a window manager? I'm trying, okay? I am trying. I will not. Well, in that case, if you're not, I'm just gonna chink chink, chink, chink. There we go. I timed you out. Okay. Unsafe path owned by root. Actually, CH own 1000 star. Do you have to have a Roma or another soft mod to do this? Yes, you need at least you need any sort of soft mod really, even tiramisu. Wait, it said reinstalling sudo. Yeah, I was trying to see if this thing will work, but I'll just ignore it for now. I'll just ignore it. So anyway, back to the mission of trying to install some random desktop environment that I don't know. Now unplug power cord. Oh yeah, XFC 4 it is. Okay, boo. Oh, we're actually doing it. Okay, I'm gonna wake up my phone and actually do it. XFC for now, and maybe, just maybe, I'll do Plasma. Yeah, KD Plasma. XFC, woo! Yeah, I'm doing XFC. LX Cute wasn't working. It's just muscle memory, me saying LX Cute and not LX Cutie. Well, the T in cute is a lowercase t, so it's no. My internet came back. It wants to be Mac OS so bad. Anyway, phones. Okay, colored. No, okay, I cannot put my phone to sleep, it appears like. Average view duration. Let me just check something real quick. 12. Go in here. YouTube announcements. So, are your Windows, like the terminal, actually Windows Vista themed, or is that just the OBS thing? It's just an OBS thing, and also it's not Windows Vista, it's Windows 7. Data Super T-Boy H. Just try using mobile data. Oh, okay, we're in. What can you do in this Wii U Arch? Well, I'll show you. Alright, XFC is running, so I can't tell between 7 and... Well, they look pretty much... Just from looking at one of the... why am I talking that fast? I can't do that. Anyway, Windows 7 and Windows Vista, the windows look visually pretty much identical. So yeah, I can see where you're coming from. So, is it light DM? I'm just gonna go sudo pec... Oh yeah. Light DM. Sure. Alright, we're installing Xorg stuff. Come on. I went to shower and this was the coldest water in existence. Back. var to var log owned by root. Yeah. I swear it's so cold. I'm just reading chat. Gentoo better. Well, Gentoo. I was just show me the capabilities. I was just talking. What version of Arch is this? Well, Arch doesn't really have a version. It's just rolling release, but I can give it a kernel version. It is NeoFetch 4.19. Yeah. System CTLysis. Yes. Show me. Just give me a second. I'll do it. So system CTL enable now light DM. Do the last command with that file and well, black screen with blinking cursor. Will this actually work? Okay, I'm starting to have a feeling that this is not going to work. Little MJD getting advanced. Did it crash? Probably. I just realised something. Oh, we got a new member of the server. Welcome. Say hi. Welcome. So I'm just typing messages into thing. Anyway, yo, what up? Try typing. Yeah, it's not working. I just thought of a. Are you going to use a D? I am trying to. So what I'm gonna do is type harder, okay? Flipping. Why am I getting... What the flip is wrong with your install? Yeah, I don't know what's wrong. It's definitely doing something. Well, I have an idea. I have a theory. And it's not a game theory, so if it continues to hang to do Control C, okay. Not working. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna log into root arch power. So my theory here is if I go user add whaletech07, bam, pass WD whaletech07, type in my password. Where's the hot USB? I'll go grab a USB and make it hot in just a second. I'll write some stuff to it. How's it? Did you install an environment? Yeah, I'm about to. Give me a second. So, I think we might need a reboot. Can we actually? Nope, I can't. That is not how that works. In fact, as an Arch install, you should have used Arch install. As an Arch user, you should have used Arch install. Well, I can't because it's a pre-made disk image. I actually can't. So what was I doing again? XFC Arch. God, there's so many messages. Why is it sudo pacman? I'm not installing XF. No, exit. Account. We're in. Oh, we have no home. Okay, yeah, that's a problem. We have no home directory. Sudo apt install. Well, I'm not using Ubuntu, so yeah, there's that. So, just trying to think here. Sudo make dir /home/whale. I typed in the path wrong. I can't. There we go. I did the thing. Oh no. We'll take off. Flipping. Are you actually kidding? Installed. Alright, I know what I'm doing with I remember this one time I was installing Arch Linux and I was 7 gig root and 10 gig use it, but I was p sudo. I do not think the computer is kidding. I'm not in the sudo-wiz file. I need to put myself in the sudo-wiz file. Oh yeah, I need to go control that, root, arch power. Command-S micro. What? Sudo is a real command. Oh my gosh! It's also Pacman SYU. Sadly, I must go. Okay. Bye, T7 Oni. Amazing stream. Thank you. Bye. Anyway, sudo. I'll show you what micro is. So if we go into, wait, no. The micro, this is a text editor. I like trains. Sudo is really. What's micro? What's the point? Oh, so a text editor. Sudo. What version of Arch is it using? It's not really a version. The only real version number I really know is the Why don't you use Tmux? I don't feel I need it. So Pacman-S nano. We're doing nano. Yes, do the thing. Done. All the sudos. Sudo. Apple dank pot. What did? Nano. Oh no. Sent over the nano. Fair enough. Were you using sudo to run sudo? Dot files leak. Super T Boy H. Why did you delete that message? It's perfectly fine. Can I? I'll just send dot files leak. Nano. Accident. Sudo dash u whale tech. Alright, sudo dash u whale tech. Can you not? I'm gonna join. Oh, thank you. Stream started 69 minutes ago. I'm a Vim and Vim user. Accident. I'm gonna just use Mint. We've been here for a while. You're showing the wrong screen on OBS. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm doing. I actually don't know what I'm doing. Can I go sudo lowercase u? Huh, nice, 69 minutes. So, I need to do something. Okay, we're doing this the bad way here, and we are assigning equals all. Hold on, I am flipping getting pinged. Welcome. I'm getting pinged everywhere. Sudo all. Yes. Save it. Sudo pacman. Make dir /home/whaletech07. Password. There we go. So sudo chown cd home sudo chown whaletech07 whaletech07. Bam. Sent a friend request. Why did I just get a friend request? Tech. So we are giving chown to whale. Oh, flipping odd bike. Oh, flipping, we're getting members. Welcome. Oh, yep, we're getting some H. You can make it Ethernet capable if you have a USB to Ethernet. So, I'm just using my phone right now as a USB Ethernet thing. So, CH. There we go. And start XFCE forward. Connection refused. The flip. You should make a bot for your server when people join. I can actually do that. I have that. I just don't want to. That's all. So, connection refused. The X server is actually gone. Go to Whale Tech. I said CH own. Devices. Yeah, I just have my phone hooked up. So, how do I load up an X flipping? Why am I getting? Okay, I'm getting friend requests. What are we doing? Unable to connect the X server, connection refused. Well then, start X. And how do I do that precisely? Yeah, absolutely useful. How do I do the flipping? I'm getting TM'd. You should make a bot for 1P server. How do I configure it? And yay on it. I feel the need to say a random thing. As someone who daily drives Linux, this is gibberish to me. Well, this is completely not gibberish to me. Can you install Git and yay on it? Sure. Pacman-s Git. Yeah, sure. I'll install Git. Why am I getting so many friend requests? A random thing. And why am I getting? I have 2 friends. Send me a DM. Random thing. Grilled cheese. Oh my god. Oh, okay, yeah, that's just my internet being. Where did you get the name Whale Tech? It's a long story. Peanut butter. Flipping. Imagine if you can install KDE in Steam and SteamOS. Haven't I just said a random thing about a random thing? Yes, you have. So what are we doing again? We're trying to get XFC. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm serious. I have no idea what I'm doing. Someone help. Please, if someone here actually knows what they're doing, just tell me what to do, please. V2 just showed up. Okay, welcome. Oh my, stop sending me friend requests. Run start XFCE forward. Sudo, okay. Sudo start XFCE forward. Bam. Connection refused. Is there a oh wait a minute. Alright, let's see what this is. No screens found. SD card gave up. Stream in a nutshell, SD card gave up. Wii U gave up. Pac-Man and Sudo gave up. Wow. Everything's giving up today. That's because of the X in it. Oh, How am I now? Okay, I'll try that. SXF86 in it, so just start X. Yeah, there's nothing. I can't. God, why am I getting so many? Hey, the Caleb 1000, please stop sending me friend requests and spamming me. Wiki says not to. Alright, fine. I guess I'm doing what the wiki... Can I install X? X11? Xorg? Install X, it's okay, no. Exec. Oh, that didn't work. Install SDDM. Okay, I'll hope everything works. Well, it's probably not. Well, just give me a second. Linux WiiU.org. For the love of Tux, don't brick your Wii U. Whale Tech, powered by Wii U. I can't type in chat and server. Just install a login manager. Why? I can't type in chat. Well, I'll fix that. Apparently, I'll just say welcome and fix your birds. Hold on. Flipping, I'm getting... Oh, hey, Rose, you have Nitro. Oh, hey, you used my top side thing. So, what did I need to do again? I need to go into roles, Windows Gang, the permissions. Just give me a second. Oh no, kick, ban, send. Do the thing. 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 No, don't do the thing. No. Yes. Do the thing. Do the thing. Do the thing. Okay. And do the thing. Do the thing. Do the thing. Do the thing. Do the other thing. Do the... What Windows version are you running? I'm not running Windows. Looked like it. Well, it's just I'm using a Windows 7 theme thing on the Whale Tech doing stuff with the Whale Tech Discord. This error comes up. Your message cannot be delivered. Please help, bro. Either it's in the servers, and I believe it's in the, just leave the server and rejoin. Yeah, just use Mint Whale Tech. The flipping, I'm getting... Your message cannot be delivered. Okay, I just need to figure this. I just need to figure this out on my own. I don't know.
Okay,
Oh, flip. That's not. Officially, I don't know. I just don't really. Why am I getting being just silent? Press Alt F4. Do a full system upgrade? Oh, full system. Good idea. By the way, how's my subscriber count at? Okay, I started the stream off at 5:46, and now at 5:59. Subs from the stream. It's actually pretty cool. Try to ping Google. Start DHCP CD. Oh no. Alright then. Ping. .9. Bam. Network is off. My flipping. Off. Hold on. That's why. My tethering's off. Okay, I fixed it. I fixed it. There we go. I fixed it. So now let's install SYU. Just do SYU. Oh, here we go. Okay. Well, let's try and do SDDM again. Sure. Do this thing. Now USB tethering gave up. Yeah, everything's giving up today. Okay. Yeah, it's just saying it's newer than the thing. No, like DM, it's more compatible. I don't care about compatibility in this. I just want this to work. I just want this to at least somewhat work. Okay, let's make a list of all the things that has given up on me. The SD card, the SD card slot, the Wii U, my phone, and literally everything else in the stream, because Wii U is not normal hardware. Yeah, well, it's powered PC, so I could actually. Oh yeah. Yeah, just ignore that. The flip, you mean the Wii U gave up? Yeah, the Wii U gave up. My phone also gave up as well, not providing internet. So anyway, system CTL disable light DM. System CTL start SDDM. Okay. Plan F, I guess. How did your phone give up? Were you trying to download Linux on it? My phone gave up because it just turned off USB tethering. Use enable instead and reboot. Actually, rebooting, like now, is actually a good idea. Oh no. Picture of it before I just went through. How many plans do you have? A lot. Just say, a lot. I have a lot of plans. This is currently plan G. I think I said F previously, but this feels like plan Z or Z or whatever. I think it's time for a reinstall. This thing is completely borked. It actually, well, one more attempt. get past Z, then should always have a plan after a plan. Well, what if I go past Z? Then I just won't give the plan a name. I'll just say, okay, new plan. ASCII. Alright, and I'm just gonna log into my actual account for best. Just start counting an X. Oh no. Okay, plan AA. That's what this feels. No, plan 00. You start with A1 and then doing A. Alright. Okay, plan 00. I guess. I think that's where hex starts. I don't know. I don't know anymore. Uh-oh. SDM services. Okay then. Light DM. Unmask it. How do I unmask it? Actually kind of balked. Take 2. I think we should actually try this again. Alright. Turning off. Make a video with your sound. Unusual join activity detected. Review the alert. Oh no, people are joining this so fast that... Okay, what the... Okay, what is actually going on here? He is hiding something. Hold on, I'm just reading through some of these here. Me looking for that one file on my PC. Place me with one. This video is sponsored by that. Sign out. How to speed up your download. He is hiding something. What am I hiding? Weezer. Sign in. Dot. I made a game with less than 100 pixels. I'll leave now. Okay, bye. Just use systemctl unmask. Is that unmask? Yeah, that's unmask. Okay. Ideas. Alright, more ideas equals, okay, I've been doing this for way too long. Okay, charging this device via USB. First, okay, why the... Okay, every time... Okay, let me say something to you. Okay. Chat, every time this Wii U turns off... Every time this Wii U turns off... I don't know, every time this Wii U turns off, my tethering turns off on my phone. Arch power, do all these things. It's normal rip. Anyway, systemctl unmask. A PC, so it is right, unmask SDDM. What? Is it PowerPC or PowerPC 64? Probably, hold on. CPU does we use? Oh, I'm just doing a bit of Googling here. Espresso processor. What is this? Ooh. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this looks actually borked. Why are my comments not showing up? Your comments are showing up. I can see them. Turning off. you, Fox. Like, use the Arch Wiki when installing a desktop environment. Okay, well, I'll do that. So, stream main. We're going back to the, what are we doing? I have no idea what we're actually doing, so we're going back to this. Okay, I'm formatting the partitions on here. I'm deleting the Linux. I'm deleting Linux off this SD card. I'm actually kind of done. I'm reinstalling it. Oh, my flipping! Oh no. Oh, are you actually kidding me? The SD card gave up again. Also, can you make a video out watching my videos? No. Just put it in promotion. Just you can not promote yourself here. Just put it in promotion like so. Plug this in. Okay, yeah, the SD card slot is giving up again. And also, if you're wondering why I'm so loud, I'm literally like. Oh. I don't need this USB stick, so. Yeah. I just threw a USB stick. I found something called. But I can't send links in chat. Well, just, but. 16-bit Linux existed. 8-bit? Probably not. Wait a minute. It actually does. I think it might actually. I think 16-bit Linux might actually have existed because Linux was originally made for 386. Linux was originally made for 386, so am I just dumb? Okay. Move this away. I just have this over here so that you can. Also, do you use Windows 11 because that mouse cursor looks similar? No, I use Arch. By the way. Anyway. Just do it. You don't have permissions. Format this. Can I actually just format this? So, KDE Partition Manager. Gparted. Just use Gparted. I don't have Gparted. That's the problem. I actually don't have Gparted. That works too. Yeah. So, unmount. The first thing, I don't know what I'm doing. First things first, I don't know what I'm doing. So, I'm just gonna go in here. Go in here, go in here. Can I actually, don't change the file system. Oh yeah, recreate existing file system. I can do that. Yeah, I'm doing that. Bye. Too overwhelming. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm confused. Well, I'll just do it. Bam. Hold on, what's going on in chat actually? Format the whole core device and repartition it. What OS is this? This is Arch Linux. As you can see, right here, this is, look, host. Yeah, this is Arch on my main computer as well. XFC. Okay, I'll do that. So I'll go into here. So I will delete this and this. Delete it. Flipping, that scared me. XFC for goodies is useless. trash. Come on. Why is it locked? Okay, yeah, okay, I believe we're good. So, I'm stuck. Actually, wait, no, I'm not stuck. I know what I'm doing. I've just been doing this for so long that I don't know what I'm even doing. Let's use like a text editor. Well, I can just use the No, don't extract it into a subfolder. Facemoji keyboard is awesome. Vim and NeoVim user here. Okay, well. Read-only file system. Okay, I'm actually going to move the chat out of the way so I can actually, you know, see. NeoVim is with plugins is just like. Alright then. KDE Partition Manager. Move it. Do the thing. Move it to 7. Do this. Oh, and you definitely need to install CowSave for fun. I will. Okay, well, we're formatting literally everything, so yeah. But we mainly use key bindings. He will. Quit. Actually, just get out of it. Also, don't format. Delete the partitions and repartition the SD card. Well, I already formatted it, so yeah. 8.6. EB1. Drag. Can I actually put it there, put it there, put it there. Hey, there we go. So now we're done with this. We can now open up 7.3 gig, which is the ext4. What am I even doing? So get out of this, go into this, rootfs. Come on, there we go. Now extract it to the 8 gig, I guess. 6 gig. 6. Oh. What window manager is that? It is, if I go back here, it is Hyperland. Hyperland. Okay, I need Nemo, and I need this in a new tab. rootfs, copy it over to here. Okay, I can't paste. Just run Neo from the suit. What? Nemo! File system. Nope. Home. Where's the home? Home. Realtek. downloads. Make it easier SSH into the... Oh, that's actually a good idea. That's actually a good idea. So, rootfs, Control A, Control C, go on the other one, Control V. Hey, there we go. libespin. Well, that is a symlink to sudo pacman-s whale-tech. Yeah, we're done. I am out. Do you know what? Do you know what? I'm not even gonna bother injecting the... Oh my... Ow! Just gave up. I made a recursive symlink today. Didn't end well. So a symlink to a symlink. I can CD infinity. So you basically made a symlink to a symlink. Is that what you're saying? Where is the SD card port? Okay. Doing it. I believe we're doing it. Well, I can't, okay, once I can, what? Oh, I forgot to put, oh, what? You heard that, right? Anyway, get out of that, go into stream capture, just a sec. Ah! Just getting up onto the table is now hard. The file tree of a recursive symlink is... What was what? Oh! Ow! Okay then, Nemo. Back. Go in the bigger volume. And then copy over the Wii U folder from the Wii U. Is that your cat? I don't have a cat. Wii U. Don't give up, SD card. The SD card is on the verge of giving up. Well, poor thing, it's only a SanDisk 16 gig card. Do I have a 32? I might actually have a 32 gig card somewhere. Two gig SD card that we can use if we need to buy a new SD card. Alright, so just do a secure erase, okay. Oh, no, wait, no, that's not what you mean. I don't think that's what you mean. Well. I hope Arch Linux is good. Am I the only person that has 7 flash drives? Let me check how many flash drives I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 for the punished one. My 32 gig. Oh yeah, 12 flash drives actually. 12. Oh my god, get out! Someone should make Arch Unix. Correct files on the correct thing. Now holding B. Oh, I thought I did the wrong thing, but... image loaded. I moved to Windows 1. I mean Windows 10. Wii U. From DOS. Uh-oh. Yeah. I think the SD card actually gave up on me. It's official. The SD card gave up on me. Can we get some Fs in the chat for the SD card? An F in the chat for the SD card. Take it out of the Wii U and plug it directly into the computer. Spam F in the chat. Well, don't spam. F, F, F. Okay, well, you know how someone said just buy a new SD card? Turn on, okay, yeah, the what? That poor SanDisk, he was expecting to live its life in a family camera, but here it is. Well, it actually lived a bit of its life in my Nintendo Switch. Well, it appeared to actually be frozen, so... Is it on read-only mode? No. Message retracted, okay. Well, we're doing this all again, but with a different SD card that is hopefully not going to just die on me. So long, SanDisk 16GB SD card I got years ago. Read-only Linux is fun. Yeah, if you saw my Gen 2 stream, read-only Linux is fun. Alright, so I'm going to need to do the hop. Oh my gosh! Chat whale tech, alt keys are converted to emojis, alt num keys. Hang on. Winter you. Okay then, we are now formatting. We're going to format the SD card now. Refresh. Installing Windows. Anyway, pop out. Right click, boom, and boom. There we go. Windows doesn't support PowerPC, yeah. So, there's an NTFS on. Yeah, thanks, phone. So we're gonna do MS-DOS. We're doing this from scratch. So it wants to something in the README. So Nemo. I think I might actually have missed something in the README. So let me go into the README and So I don't think you can do Puppy Linux on this thing. So anyway, CPA modules. Yes, I don't care. That's a good update. LFS mode. This is Arch, okay? I've done Gen 2. I'm not doing LFS. Sorry, I am not doing LFS. So, format like so. Band 32. Name it. Just not going to name it at all. Oh yeah, wait a minute. I actually need to set the size to something a bit better. Well, this will officially be the Linux SD card, so I think we only need 1 gig. Oh yeah, 1024. And then here will just be ext4 of just that, and apply. Rip SanDisk. Yeah. I'm gonna actually pin it. I'm gonna pin your message. Replace pinned message. There we go, I pinned your message. Error. It's mounted. Okay, there we go. So new partition table MS-DOS spam. Do 1024. No, 1024. 1024. Yes, those are really nice humans, and I've been streaming for 2 hours. It's starting to get tired. The sun is starting to set. It's 6:15. And I'm saying in the evening. SanDisk left the game. I actually don't know. Yeah, the SanDisk SD card, it still works, but for me it's evening. Yeah, it's also evening. It's 6:15. Oh no! Wait a minute. I just realised you're seeing a black screen. There we go. Yeah, look. There's your time. Really given up. I will now put it to rest. Where do I put this to rest? Where do I kind of want to bury the SD card. Among Us characters wind up. Okay. Well, where do I bury this SD card? I want to bury this SD card. The SanDisk one. The garden. Eat it. Right there, in the midst of all of the dust and dirt on my window, until I figure out what to do with it. I'll actually give me the SD card. Oh yeah, that's dirty. Stream until I get this thing booted up, because yeah, I'm tired. Okay, yes, do the thing. I said he would give up. Well, anyway, yeah. Well, everyone, I think this is it for today. I know you all said no, but I'm actually starting to feel kind of tired, and I feel stop for today. We have, well, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, and this was a okay, what's going on here? Okay, I put the original SD card back in. It's not dead, but thanks for all the fish whale tech. Well, this is it for the stream. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like. If you have something to say, leave a comment. You know what to do. And I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully, if I'm available to stream.